Your iPhone backup is too large, and your C drive is running out of space or already full. You can fix this by changing the default iTunes backup location using a Junction link. First, find the current backup location on your Windows PC using the Run command, then move it to another drive. Open the Run window by pressing the Windows key and R key together. Then type this command if you installed iTunes from Apple.com. This will open your backup folder. If you installed iTunes from the Microsoft Store, use this command instead. Now you'll see your backup folder. Move this backup folder to a new drive. Right-click on the folder and click Cut. Go to this PC and open the drive where you want to move it, like the D drive, then paste it there. After moving it, you can rename the folder if you want. For example, you can rename it to Backup iTunes. Next, you need to link the old backup location to the new one using a command. Open Command Prompt as administrator. If you installed iTunes from Apple.com, run this command. If you installed iTunes from the Microsoft Store, run this command. Make sure to replace username with your actual Windows username and update the new folder path if needed. Paste the command into Command Prompt by right-clicking and press Enter. Now test it. Connect your iPhone to iTunes with a cable and create a new backup. You'll see the new backup saved in the new location instead of the C drive. That's it, you're all set. Share this tip with your friends. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates.